Today I'm going to show you how to create creative slides in Canva. Go to videos and open new video project. Go to elements and type brush line, graphics, and let's choose the first one. Rotate it and resize it. Choose another one and rotate it. Bring the first image and crop it and resize it and rotate it and make it behind this line. Layers, send backwards and type your text. Let's use a glass here. Rotate. And make this line above the image. Layers, send forward. And after typing the text, let's animate the elements. Let's start with the image, animate, baseline, click both and lower the speed. Choose the direction from the left to the right and click on reverse exit animation. Animate these lines with baseline as well. Make the speed in the middle. Animate the text with baseline, lower the speed, click both, reverse exit animation. And now duplicate, delete this image and delete the text as well, and rotate this line, move it and rotate this line, move it and bring the next image, crop it and rotate it to fit this place. Send backwards and type the text, and after typing the text, make sure that this line is above the picture. Animate the picture with this line from the right to the left, lower the speed, click both, reverse exit animation, and the text with baseline. And duplicate the first page and move it, change the image and change the text and make the same animation. And after typing the text, make sure that all the elements is animated. Make the animation of the lines just in the first slide. So remove the animation from the lines in the last slide. And now add transition, match and move. Make 1 second, apply between all pages. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.